Hello everybody, this is Kathy Borowski and this is what I love about Northampton. And can you see I'm not alone today? I have my little buddy Angus with me. His family is vacationing and I am dog sitting. His wonderful family bought a sweet house in the center of Florence from me 17 years ago, and they've entrusted me and this little guy. He is a great dog. We're having a great time. We just took a walk down to the bank from my office, and we're going to go back and get a nice big drink of water because I think he's thirsty. He is so good. So I just got a little thing to say to all my single friends out there. Stop spending your money on online dating services. Get yourself a dog. More people spoke to me in the walk from my office to the bank in the past 15 minutes than ever. So this is your surefire way to meet people. Maybe Angus's family would loan him out once in a while for a nice walk. Great way to meet people, great way to get out and get some exercise. Say hi, Angus. Angus, you say hi? Your family wants to know how you're doing. Huh? He's tired, he's been walking a lot, but he's happy, he's healthy, and he misses everybody. And this is Kathy, and have a great day.